Many cheap foods are healthier than expensive ones. Many people believe that healthy eating is expensive, but this is a big misconception. There are affordable foods that provide the same nutritional value as costly options, sometimes even more. Here are some science-backed examples. Replace salmon with herring. Herring contains almost the same level of omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health, brain function, and inflammation control. It is also rich in vitamin D, iodine, selenium, and easily digestible protein. Herring strengthens blood vessels, improves skin health, boosts metabolism, and is up to 5 times cheaper. The healthiest option is low-salt herring that has been soaked in water to reduce sodium. Replace avocado with soft-boiled eggs plus 1 spoon of flaxseed oil. This combination gives you the same healthy fats, vitamin E, lecithin, and omega-3. It nourishes the brain, liver, hormones, and these nutrients are absorbed even better than from avocado. Flaxseed oil also supports anti-inflammatory processes and hormone balance. Replace quinoa with buckwheat. Buckwheat contains similar levels of protein, fiber, and iron, plus extra magnesium and rutin, which strengthen blood vessels and reduce inflammation. It is especially beneficial for people with a sensitive stomach or weak digestion. Replace chia seeds with ground flax seeds. When soaked, flax seeds create a natural gel that protects the intestinal lining and gently cleans the digestive system. They are rich in omega-3, lignans, powerful antioxidants, and fiber that supports gut health and hormone balance. Replace expensive protein bars with cottage cheese, plus cocoa plus honey. This mix provides natural protein, calcium, magnesium, and tryptophan, which support energy, muscle recovery, and mood. It is far healthier, cheaper, and free from artificial additives. Healthy eating does not have to be expensive. With the right choices, you can nourish your body with affordable, nutrient-dense foods that support the heart, digestion, hormones, metabolism, and overall well-being.